Oh, it's so cold. Happy first day of spring, everyone. Let me just set you down over here. Hi, if you're new, my name's Emily. I create lifestyle, a lot of home content. I do a lot of vlogs, mostly cleaning, organizing, decorating my home. I do a lot of ASMR content. I find them satisfying, and I'm also too lazy to find non-copyrighted music, so that's why I do it. So if that's up your alley or you enjoy that stuff, hit the subscribe button. I'd love for you to stick around. I post occasionally. I try to do it every Sunday morning. I try to upload, but lately I've just been super busy that I haven't been doing that. So now that the weather's getting warmer, I'm in a bit more of a routine and things aren't as hectic going on in my personal life anymore. I can stick to the schedule. So stick around, maybe we'll see together. So today I am working from home. A couple little things I want to bring out of the basement to decorate for Easter and for spring, because Easter's next weekend and I'm hosting my dad's side of the family, so maybe next week I can post a little video on like how I am preparing myself for that. Last year we hosted a brunch, dog barking, and this year we're hosting a dinner. So I hosted Thanksgiving dinner with my mom's side of the family and that seemed to go pretty well, so I'm not too nervous about it. He's barking, but I don't know where he went. So anyway, so I have like a checklist and a routine that I usually go through when I'm doing that stuff, so maybe I'll post a video next week on just kind of showing you how I go through it. So, this house, oh, that's why. The only reason why I'm working from home is because I have a physio appointment. Oops, I don't need to do 18.5. So we set the house on a schedule so when we're not here, the furnace isn't running. So it was 15 degrees, which is why I'm so cold. So I just bumped it up. I take the dog out for a quick walk right now. It's about 10:30. Oh, there we go. The furnace is kicking up. I also wanted to say I filed my taxes this morning before work. Today I think is the earliest I've done it. It's March 20th. So it's good to get it out of the way. Just wanted to throw that out there as your reminder to do your taxes. I use TurboTax. I've used it I've been filing my own taxes for probably since I was done university. My mom helped me out that year that I graduated, and then I've been doing it ever since. It's so easy. Like the TurboTax, great. This is not sponsored, not an ad. I have worked with them in the past, which was nice because it was something I already used, so I like jumped on that brand deal. This year I'm not working with them. They have a thing going on until the 27th, which I'm not sure when this video will go out, but just letting you know. You can save 20% off. That's what I used. So, and I get the deluxe package, which is nice because it's just the person at the end going over like a video chat with you or a phone call. You get to choose what you want and they just make sure you've done everything correctly. This makes it sound like an ad or sponsored, but I swear it's not. But I'll leave the link down in the description so you can check it out, just to make things a little bit easier for you guys. But anyway, okay, I think I'm a little bit more warmed up. A little Alfredo for a walk. And I said that weird, what? Alfie, sit. Can we just talk about the sass in this dog? Alf, come here. Alfie. Dude, it's a harness. It's nothing. Just being a shit. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, yes. Hello. It's the next day. I am really bad at filming. I took the dog for a walk yesterday and then went back into work and totally forgot about you guys, so I apologize. Alfie's just eating his dinner. We're gonna make some turkey meatballs, or it's just meatballs, but like with ground turkey for dinner, and kind of do like a Greek inspired meal. It's about 20 after 6 right now. Brendan won't be home for another hour and a half, I want to say. Maybe an hour, depending on how his traffic is. So I want to do a workout before he gets here and before I start making dinner, so I'm gonna get changed to do that. And I also got a package from Simon's. I ordered a nice sweater, which I'm excited to try. Just take you upstairs with me while I change into my workout gear. So I figured I would open that and share that with you guys. Ooh, it's kind of dark up here. There we go, that's a little bit better. Sweater, and I wanted it, but I was like, I can't justify spending that much money on it. Like maybe I can thrift it or maybe I can get something different. And then I just slept on it for 2 weeks and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get it. So look, It literally looks like something that like my grandpa would have in his closet, but I love it. It's in a gorgeous color. I'm obsessed with it. It's like, it is acrylic. I think that was its material. Recycled cotton, so I don't know how great it is, but it feels pretty good. And I just thought, I love sweaters like these. I would get so much wear out of it. I just kept thinking of like all the ideas like to post on Instagram about it, and like just to wear it around the house and in the summertime, like on it. And I'm just gonna sit down and say it. Oh, that looks so nice. But anyway, like on the end of like a hot day and you're like outside having a glass of wine, or you're at the beach, or you're at the cottage and it's like dusk and you're sitting there and it's a bit chilly and you got this on with like a pair of shorts or sweatpants, like perfection. I absolutely love it. I love the detailing, I love the color. This is the extra small fit. It says it's an oversized fit, so that's why I kind of went with my regular size. It's like regularly oversized, but if you wanted it longer and a bit baggier, I would size up. I think there's only the two sizes of like medium large or extra small. This is so nice. This is exactly what I pictured, so I'm happy with this purchase. I'll leave a link down below if you want to go check it out. They also have other destinations. I think it's called like a destination sweater, but they also have other ones as well. So whatever's more meaningful to you. It's actually kind of funny because most of my summers growing up I spent actually in Nova Scotia and New Brunswick, like just out on the East Coast. My mom's side of the family is from St. John, New Brunswick. And then my dad's side of the family, they have a cottage that's been in the family for a couple generations in Cape Breton. So I spent most of my summers growing up there. Anyway, the point of me saying all that was I've traveled everywhere across the East Coast of Canada except for Newfoundland and Peggy's Cove and Halifax. I've never been to those places, but I feel like I've been everywhere else. One of these days, this summer, we're planning out a trip down east, so maybe we'll stop by, but I'm really excited to take Alfie to the beach. It'll be fun. I think that's our big summer holiday this year, and then spending lots of time at the cottage, obviously. But yeah, anyway, I'm so happy with this. I feel like it's kind of expensive for what it is, but at the same time, I'll get so much wear out of it, and it's just the perfect quarter zip fit. I love it. So anyway, getting back to on track, I need to get myself some workout clothes. I'm not gonna talk and change, but I'll just tell you briefly what is going on. But I've been having some issues in my lower back, and like all of my left leg has been quite numb, especially in like the side of my foot and the back of my calf. So I finally went to physio and it was great. He gave me some exercises. He did like a massage, like the area that hurt and stuff. It was really good, and he gave me some exercises to do, but he still said I could continue with my low impact exercises as long as I'm not like overexerting myself, which is very encouraging because I love Pilates. I'm gonna try a bar. Is that how you say it? Beret? No, bar. Right? Bar YouTube workout tonight. I am a YouTube workout girly. I do not go to the gym. I have done one Pilates reformers class with my friend, but I'm not big in the group workout thing. Like I'm just socially not there. So I like to be very independent with my workout. So yeah, but anyway, sorry, the whole point of me getting into that is if I'm filming a workout now and you're seeing me be weird and not do things properly, or like it looks weird, it's because my hip is killing me, but I'm still trying to be active, so just ignore that. But anyway, I'm gonna go change and then we'll get into it. Alrighty, so we are changed. I'm wearing this thrifted Lululemon top, Lululemon leggings. These are the Wonder Train with pockets, and I've had them for 5 years and I love them. They're great. And this is from Joe Fresh, which is perfect. I'm just gonna see how the dog reacts to me putting out my mat, because usually that's an invitation for him to go apeshit. But I'm hoping, because we just went to the park, you will be good. I did it gently. No. On your bed. Good. What is this called? Fit by Coach Kel.
Hi, you guys, welcome to our full body bar workout. This class is a combination.
Oh my god, I'm not gonna be able to do that.
Ballet strength training.
It's kind of dumb. Why am I doing this? We're gonna see how well this goes. Alright, Alfie, just need to move. Oh, I can't bend like that. Okay, this might be a bad idea. Okay, this is not working. I'm 100% gonna hurt myself if I do this. So I'm gonna switch back to my old lady's sciatica stretches, because just doing that of literally touching my toes apart. So a lot of it's on the ground, so I'll put you here. Hi. All right, well, that was a bit of a fail, thanks to this one, but also my hip, or my lower back. That was a little uncomfortable at times. So anyway, I'm gonna jump in the shower now just to get that out of the way for today. And then we'll get started on dinner. Brendan texted me he should be about half hour out of the way, so. Okay. This company called AG Hair, they sent me, or AG Care, sorry. They sent me some products, which was really cool to learn about their brand and all that stuff. But they sent me their styling set. Oh, I still have my earrings on. Glad they didn't fall down the drain. Holy smokes. Anyway, so this isn't sponsored or anything. They just sent this as like PR, or if I could, you know, post about it sort of thing. Products. So we have their frizz-proof anti-humidity. That's going to be so nice in the summer. Finishing spray. That's going to be great. Humidity protection, light hold, high shine. Good. And then they have two like beachy wave kind of stuff. You have a cream and a spray. So this is Beach Balm Wave Enhancing Cream, a beach wave finish. So I think both of these you put on like damp hair. Yeah, I don't know who said it, but I agree. The beach waves, the natural waves are coming back for summer, and I'm here for it. These things can like keep it under control and keep the frizz down. It's gonna be great. So I'm really excited to use these products. I'm gonna try this tonight. It's their Cloud Airlight Volumizing Mousse. I could really use volume, so I'm really excited to try this. Get instant volume and texture, eliminate frizz, and enhance shine with this lightweight volumizing mousse. Distribute through clean, damp hair, blower, air dry. I think I will try that. So I'm assuming it has like a foam. Ooh, nice. Oh, that smells nice. Smells lovely. Oh my gosh, that smells beautiful. What is in that? Sugarcane extract for natural volume, texture, and shine. Huh. I really like that. It's a little sticky, I'm not gonna lie, but with the sugarcane it makes sense as to why it's sticky. So we'll see. I'm gonna let it dry on its own and see how it goes. Alrighty, we're back in the kitchen. I feel like we're always in the kitchen. Obviously I had to throw on the new sweater. We're gonna be making turkey meatballs today. It's technically a new recipe because, I mean, I make meatballs all the time, but it's with ground beef, and these are kind of like Greek inspired meatballs, so, but I make like souvlaki all the time as well. So I'm kind of assuming I'm just putting the two recipes together. And I don't know if I want to do, I bought this at the grocery store. Orzo? Is that how you say it? Orzo? I got this and I kind of want to make it with the meatballs and like just do like a whole like bowl almost. So we'll see if I'm feeling fancy to do it that way. I have all the fixings for everything else. So we'll see where we're at. I also got stuff to make tiramisu, which I've never made before, and I'm gonna try that this weekend. So that will be up in the next week's vlog. I'm gonna attempt it. I'm excited. I'm very excited. Anyway, let's get into making dinner. That is the recipe that we're trying today. If you want to see all the recipes that I'm making for future or that I've made in the past, go follow me on Pinterest because that's where I post all of these things, but that's what we're making today. Oh, is Brendan home already?
Well, guess what there was again tonight? Another car accident.
Oh my gosh, these are freezing. There's a little too much cumin. I don't really like the smell of it. Okay, so these are going in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes.
very efficient. 20 minutes to clean the hallway. The spot clean like a circle. Yeah, it's a mop upstairs.
That's pretty good. I should just use clear bowls for all my cooking videos because you can see what I'm doing. Probably should have done more toppings. Don't have any feta, but I think I can pick away at boursin cheese and like just put sprinkles of dollops on it. Get away with not doing it. I'm just gonna add some salt and pepper to this and then let that cool down for a little bit and then I'll plate it. We also don't have tzatziki and I was gonna make tzatziki, but I finished the Greek yogurt. So we're gonna go with hummus. I could use sour cream and make like a dill sauce. Like I make a dill dip in the summertime, which is basically like fresh dill, cucumber, sour cream, lemon, a little bit of garlic. But anyway, I could make that, but that's rather unhealthy. I mean, dill hummus doesn't seem super healthy. Try this as like a little dipping thing. I think I'm just gonna put it over top of the meatballs, like a dollop of this, and then put the meatballs over this like pasta salad. We'll call it a day at that, but that's what we're looking at. Okay, so these are the meatballs. Ignore those 3 right there. I'm making some for my mom and she's on a special diet, so just ignore those. But this is what Brendan and I are eating. One thing I would do prior is throwing them on the frying pan just to brown them a little bit. I kind of wish I did that. I'm just gonna leave it like this and I'll know that for next time. But it's quite similar to how I cook my like Korean meatballs that I normally do. So we're gonna be fancy and use our big pasta bowls. Take a dollop and throw it on each ball. I think that was good like improvising to use dill hummus. Tastes pretty good. This is the final product. Yeah, anyway, I'll leave the recipe for both of them down below so you can go check it out, maybe try it for yourself and perfect it, not like how I just amateurly did it. Anyway, my battery's flashing, so I will chat with you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry this video is kind of like all over the place, but so is my life. So nonetheless, I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos. Spring and summer's coming and I'm finally like getting the creative energy that I need. So yeah, anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.